Hello everyone, I am Nirmal Patel and today we are going to discuss our second cue card. Describe an aquatic animal. The questions are what it looks like, when you saw it, where you saw it, and explain why it is interesting. Before moving to cue card, let's map these questions. The first question is what it looks like. In this question, we have to talk about the appearance of the aquatic animal. We have to state how small or big it is, how it can be identified. Also, you can add that what it resembles. In the second and third question, when you saw it and where you saw it, we have to mention the period when you saw the aquatic animal. For example, before the year, just before lockdown, or also you can state place and time together. For example, during a visit to XYZ place in summer vacation, in winter vacation, etc. Please take a note that aquatic animals such as shark and whale cannot be seen at any shows. Be realistic and answer in such a way that it should look proper. In the fourth question, explain why it is interesting. We have to add things that make the animal remarkable. For example, the sailfish, which is known for its highest speed, or you have to mention the reasons for your liking toward the animal. So now let us start. The fact is that the water life is so amazing and interesting. However, it is not feasible to explore it fully. Among the water animals, I am talking about the one which is known for its incredible size and weight, as it resembles a sheep and it is the largest living creature in the world. Whales usually inhabit in the ocean all around the world, and their size varies from 80 to 150 feet. They usually have a lifespan of an average 77 years. Even some of them lives over a century. I have seen this giant mammal on the Geography Channel during the lockdown period. It is said that the weight of its tongue is nearly equivalent to that of an elephant. The whales are warm blooded animals, and surprisingly, they breathe and feed milk to their babies as we humans do. The whale is considered to be an animal that learns, teaches, cooperates, and even grieves like other mammals. I was astonished when I came to know that their breathing hole can expel air with such a great pressure that can sink a ship or damage it heavily. I found it so interesting that the amite of sperm whale named ambergris is so valuable for the perfume market. The unavoidable truth is that whales have been hunted for the human purpose from the Stone Age. It is said to say that the whale is declared as an endangered animal to preserve it. And the last thing that I'd like to add is that whale cannot sleep for the long time, otherwise they run out of oxygen and can be drowned.